Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use a wallpaper suggestion feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're trying to create a wallpaper or a lock screen wallpaper for your Samsung S25 Ultra and you don't have the time, your Samsung S25 Ultra can suggest you stunning wallpapers based on your taste and the device theme. This is built in right into your phone. So let me show you how to get this. So first we'll go ahead and long press on an empty space. Next, we'll tap on Wallpaper and Style. Here, we'll go ahead and choose your lock screen. Now, once you do this, you'll see that you can configure your lock screen. However, at the bottom here, you'll see something called Suggest. Go ahead and tap on this. This will basically start creating a wallpaper when you don't have time to do one. So as you can see, it's giving me different 3 variations. So go ahead and choose what you like. This is quite nice. This is another suggestion. You can go ahead and tap on Suggest again, and it'll basically rethink it. And it will give you another suggestion, so as you can see. So kind of like this one here. So once you've chosen what you like, you can go ahead and tap on Apply. Go ahead and configure this. Change this to whatever you like, and then tap on Done. And now when you press Home and you lock your screen, you'll see that your Samsung S25 suggestion has been applied to your lock screen. So this basically refreshes your phone's look easily without spending the time on designing your wallpaper on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to use wallpaper suggestions on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.